What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to talk about why I decided to cancel my premium LinkedIn membership and what I use now. So, to give you a perspective, been around for 14 years in sales. Um, most of my 14 years within B2B, business to business, selling to business owners, business loans, lines of credit, equipment financing, real estate investment. Venture debt, venture capital, and you name it, everything related to funds and loans. So I was using around a year and a half ago. I was using Sales Navigator. That took forever to it took me forever to get a bunch of leads. So I was like, there has to be a way to do it easier and without the hustle of paying the $100. So I started to look for ways to crack the code, let's say, when it comes to searching for leads over Google. And I found an opportunity that it's called Boolean searches. And what a Boolean search is that you put a string over Google, and it gives you the ability to search for people without having Sales Navigator. If you notice, if you're a current user of LinkedIn Premium or LinkedIn free version, you have a limit of up to 100 records or connection requests that you can send every week. So if you want to use LinkedIn automation tool, most likely it will bypass the limit and it will send 200, 300, whatever. But you're gonna sound robotic all the time, and you don't want to sound robotic if you're looking to get as much leads as possible. So I'm gonna give you the breakdown on what I do. Number one, it's I go to Google and I put this information here. This is the basically the Boolean string that I was talking about, and it starts with the site and then LinkedIn and then the specific of what I'm looking for. In this particular opportunity, I'm looking for a CEO or a chief operation officer, and then the after that and then the industry. I'm looking for manufacturing CEOs and chief executive officer, which is primarily the same, or business owners or founders, whichever comes to your mind. And then after that, I'm putting the N, and I'm putting Fort Worth, which is the city, and then the state, Texas. Now I go here, and this is my search. I've been sending messages all day long from page 1 to 4. Nah, I'm just kidding. I haven't sent it for the entire day because I have a lot of things to do. But when I get the time, so what I actually do is I go to my sticky note, I grab the message I want to send via connection request. I go here, right click in the first option, and it's gonna populate the account. And now I'm gonna take some time to read this profile and see if this is something I may be interested in. As you can see, this person may be in the position for 2 years. And if I want to find out more, I simply go here and I see that they do manufacturing. So I'll go back and I will send the message here. Pretty easy. Go here, connect, add a note, and the only thing I'm going to add is the name. So hi Don, as fellow business owners, we get how thought it can be to scale when resources are tight. We specialize in helping businesses access the funding they need to grow. Got a few minutes to chat about how we can help, how we can support your business? Check us out, www.phoenixsolutions.io. So I hit send and I get the confirmation that the connection request was made. What do I do then? If he answers, what I'll do is I'll go here. As you can see, this person basically approved my connection request. So then I can send whatever follow up message and follow up that way. This is the hardest way to do it, but the cheapest at the same time. So if you have a tiny budget, you want to do this. And basically, the only thing you have to do is to change either the job title, the industry, the city and state. Now, if you want to do this with Instagram or Facebook or any other one, it may or may not work. And let me show you. So let's go here. Let's put Facebook. I think it's FB. And let's see what we get. No, it didn't work. So most likely, there you go, baby. Now you see here, you get Julie McCurry, True Texas Project CEO. So what do you want to do now? Let's see if we can send a text message. A message, excuse me. So as you can see, there is no way to send a message. But guess what? We found an email and we found a website. So there you go, baby. If you want to go to the next one, simply right click, go to the first profile, and guess what? I'm going to send a text to this person. I don't even know them, but I know they are in Texas, baby. Texas, like my gap, Texas, and say, hi, guys. Now, don't get me wrong. You're not going to spend 8 hours doing this because there's going to be an algorithm detention that it's gonna mark you as a spammer, scammer, or as a machine. So try not to play this really hard with when reaching out on LinkedIn, on reaching out on Facebook, and reaching out on Instagram. Because if not, most likely you're gonna get blocked. Now let's switch gears, baby. And boom, we have Instagram people here. So let me see here. Who should we go with? Let's try this person here and let's see what kind of profile we can get. Let's see if they are an open profile and most likely they are. Let's see. Boom. What am I going to do now? What do you guys think? I'm going to send a message. Hi, the retail connection. Boom, baby. There you go. We have another one. So, guys, thank you for watching. As you can see, the sky is the limit when it comes to lead generation, appointment setting, and marketing efforts. If you want to be up to date with this information, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, share it, like it, comment. See you the next one. Take care, guys. Bye bye.